How to add Google Tag Manager code in Wix. Follow the instructions. Go to tagmanager.google.com and create a new account. Add your website as a container for the GTM setup. After creating the container, you'll get 2 code snippets. Copy both of them to use in your Wix site. Log into your Wix account and open the dashboard of the website you want to connect with GTM. From the left menu, go to Settings Advanced Custom Code, and click the plus Add Custom Code button. Paste the first GTM code, select all pages, choose Place Code in Page Top, then click the Apply button. Next, go to Settings Advanced Tracking and Analytics, and add a new custom tool from the options. Paste the second GTM code here, select all pages, save your changes, and finally click the Publish button. Thanks for watching.